Hi friends, in this video let us see about our attitude and its importance in our survival, success and ultimately leading to the excellence of our life. In these pandemic times, as recently as few days back, you might have heard about Miss Jyoti Kumari, 15-year-old girl, cycled her injured father on the rear side carrier of her cycle and took him from Gurugram, the business city of Gurgaon district in Haryana, located southwest of New Delhi, to their native place, Darbhanga in Bihar, covering the distance of 1200 km in 8 days. Miss Ivanka Trump, the daughter of Mr. Donald Trump, the USA President, lauded this girl's feat of endurance, and the Indian Cycling Federation called her for trials. Well, what do you think of which made her to achieve this with her willpower? That's her attitude. First of all, let us know the basic elements required for the success of an individual. There are three elements we can say. First, knowledge, which can be acquired by education or personal life experiences. Second, the skills the one possesses. Third is attitude, what he or she has. Out of these three elements, the attitude is more important than the other two. Well, what is attitude? Attitude refers to an individual's mental state, which is based on his or her beliefs or value systems, emotions, and the tendency to act in a certain way. One's attitude reflects how one thinks, feels, and behaves in a situation. Attitude can be defined as our response to people, places, things, or events in life. Our attitude towards people, places, or situations determine choices that we make. Attitude itself is composed of three components. 1. Cognitive component. 2. Affinitive or emotional component. Third, behavioral component. The cognitive component is based on the information or knowledge one has. Affinitive component is based on the personal feelings. Behavioral component reflects how the attitude affects the way we act or behave. Types of attitude. We can categorize the attitude into three types. First one is positive attitude. It's nothing but its traits are confidence and optimism and all positive aspects of humans. Negative attitude. Negative attitude traits are hatred, pessimism, and anger, and all negative aspects of human beings. Third one is neutral attitude. Neutral attitude is indifference and detachment to the people, places, and situations. Attitude is more important and it supports the other two, knowledge and skills. Living our life requires a predominantly positive attitude due to life's nature of high and low cycle of our life. Sometime happy, sometime sad things will happen in our life. Although nobody can ever have absolute control in what occurs throughout our life, the positive attitude we choose deliver good approach, performance in handling our life's obstacles is fully within our control. Our attitude develops from one's own personal experiences and interactions throughout our life. Positive attitude starts from positive thinking, which boosts everything in our life, including our works, immune system, etc. A lot of studies carried out shows the direct relation between positive attitude and success of anything in our life. According to a Stanford Research Institute study, The path to success is 88% is attitude and 12% only the other things, which are knowledge and skills. Stanford Research Institute is started by Stanford University, California, USA, to support its economic development of innovation of USA especially. So from this video, we now know that our attitude plays the very important part in our life. From survival to, as you know, mind is everything. With positive thinking, your attitude starts. Be positive and be happy. All the best. May God bless us all and the world, the only living planet in our galaxy.